Imagine a place where dreams are nurtured, where diversity is celebrated, and where the spirit of unity prevails. Cesar Chavez Plaza Square is more than just a square. It's a testament to the power of progress and the resilience of a community. Cesar Chavez Plaza Square will be a hub of excitement, where the pulse of the city beats stronger than ever before. A vibrant stage for festivals, concerts, and community gatherings that will create memories and forge lasting bonds. This is a space where our children will learn, grow, and shape a better tomorrow. As we come together to celebrate this remarkable endeavor, let us remember that the true beauty of Cesar Chavez Plaza Square lies in the hearts of those who will call it home. Together, we will create a legacy that will inspire generations to come.
I'm Aaron Guerra, Vice Mayor for the City of Sacramento. What a wonderful night here at Cesar Chavez Plaza. An amazing vision here executed by Ernesto Delgado. But tonight is a good example of how we're bringing life to it. And we're using a cultural aspect of many plazas that you see in Mexico and Latin America and Honduras, Sudamerica, where we have music, we have culture, a meeting place, a place for dialogue and debate.
Hi, I am Kathy Rodriguez-Aguirre. I'm the President and CEO for the Sacramento Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. And tonight, we did our Salud Business Awards here at Cesar Chavez Plaza in downtown Sacramento because we wanted to give people a little bit of what that vision could be and what could that look like. And I think people got a little taste of what this could be, the energy, the excitement, the economy boost that it could bring, and for people to be here on a constant basis gathering because it becomes the place to go and the place to be that reminds you of somewhere else, but also is very much Sacramento.
In addition to making the plaza a destination for residents as well as visitors, my goal is to create a hospitality zone on the 4 blocks surrounding the plaza to invite businesses to be part of the future by investing time and energy in services and products that will not only enhance the plaza, but bring success to the downtown Sacramento. You are part of the future, investing time and dollars in making downtown Sacramento a shining example of heritage, of what can be accomplished when everyone shares the same vision. Your Latino work ethic, pride in your heritage, professionalism, dedication, and love of our city make a huge impact. Please, I ask all of you to stand and say, I am Sacramento. 1, 2, 3. I am Sacramento.